Hey everyone, welcome back. Happy Friday. Imagine waking up and seeing XRP glowing green all over the place. Just like it is right now, but this time things have changed. There's a new player in town. And it just sent a ripple through the whole market. You might be thinking, wait, what happened? Well, here's the big news. RLUSD was newly added to the list SWFT. And this isn't just another listen. This is the kind of action that changes the game for everyone who has XRP. Everyone wants to use RLUSD. This is the kind of move that makes it worth watching the charts. Before you write this off as mere hype, let's speak about a catalyst that could start the next major wave. I just want to tell you something. The best investors are paying attention. This isn't just discussion. This is the kind of news that makes actual money move. You have to question yourself, am I about to see something big happen? When you see a move like this with so much momentum behind it, we're just getting started. I'm going to explain exactly what's going on, why this is so much bigger than it seems, and how it might lead to XRP's next big rise. So stay tuned, because what's coming up next? People in this video are going to be great. We're going to look at the XRP price chart now. Is this a real breakout or a fake one? I have you covered. We're going to speak about RLUSD and how it's being used there too. And now we're going to move on to the chart. We are looking bullish right away. Before we go anywhere else, please do me a favor and hit that thumbs up. The video receives more views the more thumbs up it gets. You only need 2 seconds. The channel can be supported for free. If you want to help RIP and the channel develop, just hit the thumbs up button and subscribe right away. Let's get into a Bitcoin 100, $11,187. It has gone up 1.93% in the last 24 hours. Ethereum is worth $2,782. XRP is up more than 6%. Yeah, dude, we were only $2.20 last week. We are already at $2.44. You love to watch it. But the big question on everyone's mind is if this is the real deal or just a fake. In approximately 45 seconds, we'll get into that. Right now, it's up more than 2.95% presently, down from 5% yesterday during the live stream. I told you we have all the space to run up to about 247. I'm not sure if we accomplished that goal overnight. We'll find out together in a second, and then we'll show you the support and resistance and break it down even further. Total cryptocurrency market cap. It just continues going up, $3.45 trillion. You love to watch it. Don't forget that this isn't an old season yet. It's still Bitcoin season. But the greater the odds desire to go up here and catch up, the higher the price will go during the last 3 to 6 months of this bull run. That's all we have left. And we can look at these 2017 vibes for all my crypto OGs who have been using Coinbase while it was down for a while. That is one of the most bullish indications you may observe right now as the exchanges start to operate. But this is why you should have more than one exchange. You should have .OTC set up, and you should know what to do when this happens. If an exchange goes down and you want to cash out, you need to figure out what to do right now. Let's pay attention to this club. This is a goody man. Luke Belmore, we're talking about XRP. This is just plain funny. This guy is acting like a crypto expert, but he doesn't know what he's talking about. It's embarrassing to see folks pretend to know what they're talking about. A lot of folks in this field act like they know what's going on when they really don't. I enjoy the ones who say a lot of numbers and then tell you that if you look at this number and this number, it will tell you what's going to happen on this day. They act like they have a crystal ball and know what's going on. Those are the greatest ones. Let's hear what Luke has to say. XP, what is XRP for? I don't know. They say it's the world's ISO remittance. It's a bunch of crap. Not actually a thing. It's a stupid meme currency that's worth $100 billion. And you're staring at the CEO of any company and they are dumping on your head, but their stories are so amazing. There are a lot of YouTube channels that only talk about this meme coin culture. And once you get it, you see that much of what they told you about crypto was basically schemes disguised as useful things, instead of just saying, hey, this is a meme coin. We're putting our money on culture. What are we betting on? To get the market to bounce, you need a story, distribution, and engagement. But then there's Bitcoin, which is kind of the point. Okay. To make a long tale short, this guy is lost. It sounds like he missed his chance to acquire XRP, or he's just a big fan of Bitcoin. One of the two. Jester, crown of absolute. Hey dude, Crypto Insight put this out. He says, we got the close we wanted for XRP. We talked about the closure for the month, the close for the 6 months, and the closing for the month. There was a very uncommon time in June when both of those things happened on the same day. We told you where we have to go to get above. Think the number is roughly 227, and we got it right. We understand, we got that number, whatever it was. He says, now the question is this a trick? Should we come back and test again? Or should we keep going with the breakout? He argues that XRP is typically ready to go, and it makes sense. Let's talk about this now. XRP is at a really important point right now. Let me open up TradingView and show you we are on the edge. We're at the top of a roller coaster, right? We're hanging there for a second before we fall a long way. Everyone knows what I'm talking about. You all have been on roller coasters, or at least seen them. But this is where it gets interesting, because this is where we need to work things out. Is it time to go? Or are they just playing with our feelings? And we're going to see a backtest. Let's take this apart. Let's use some instances from the real world. You don't have to be a chart expert to grasp why this time is important. And let me zoom in on this chart so you can see the green areas where we support and the